myself. Take me right back to the start.
Wanna change your old keyboard that you see? So watch this video completely. And so first open your Play Store, and after opening that you can just type here Motorola keyboard as I typed before. So here is Explorer L keyboard, and another one is keyboard for Motorola Razr ID, whatever it is. And so I choose Explorer, and there are many good themes in this. And as I download this, and you can see the productivity app and having ratings of 4.4, and there are 1 million downloads of this. So I just go down and talk about some of them. So this is how it's look, and so I'll go back there and type the Motorola keyboard, sorry, and as it is downloading 4.46 MB, and just we talk more about it by scrolling down and having original rating, prediction typing, or arranging this is good, and this is very good app as according to me, and I use it for about 1 month. And here this is a very good app, so we can check how it's complete. So this is about 16 MB completed, so we move down. So here there are many apps, like you can see on the third, that is all very, and we have read more something like 1200 emojis and stickers, and we can scroll down. This is having many GIF in this, and you can see this is installing and having a very good app. And this is have United Kingdom developer and 1 million plus downloads. So I'll back to my page, and this is installing, and just we wait for some time, and this is also installing, guys. So here this is successfully installed. So I open the app directly from here, and you can see the logo here of X, and so I put enable Explorer by, and then OK, and you can on this and then OK, so that open, and then switch to Explorer, and Explorer, then choose your language. So you also type here get started, but I choose my language, that is the same. So I just back and see some change by there, and here you can change your new keyboard. And how's this, guys? This is now very good and pretty cool before that old keyboard. And I'll just back there, and here as I already told, you can find many of the images and emojis, so that you can send your brother, sister, and whatever your friend was. And how's this? So another thing was the GIF that I told. So I'll just take an awesome houses, so sorry, and many of them, wow, subscribe and lol. and there are some of the others, and I move as you have a great internet speed so that they can load fastly. I have slow internet speed, that's why they can't load. And there are many of the images, and like here GIF, so these are according to your net speed. So I'll pause this and make a forward. So I choose here cricket. So guys, as you can see, the Virat Kohli that is moving his hand. So as this is, my net speed is very slow, and so I can go back, and here I'll go on settings, and here you can see some of the setting, that is test shortcut, which you can make like HAU, how are you. So I just choose that. So enter the 2 or 4 words that you make the making for how are you. And so I open this and I'll put here HAU, and now HAU. So add, and I'll go back so that I can show you. And here HAU. So here you can plus, and that's change how are you. So that's shit, I'm so sorry, sit, sorry guys. And you can also make words like gliding your finger on there. And here are some of the themes I show you. As I already told you, there are many live themes in this, and here you can find of them, but some are unavailable there as I checked them. So some of them are unavailable, and this also depend on your net speed, how much cool is your internet. As I choose here, like when I click here, currently this theme is not available, but fan, and so many of them are not available. And here when I move on color, and I again try them, that's are not available. And there are many Holy Pava, Guru Pava, and so I move to color, and here when I choose it's change, and this seems to and this also change, and also changes, and this also changes. So I move to images now. So here T20, as it is loading, you can see the image. So this is Royal Challenger Bangalore, and this is Kolkata Knight Rider. And also get the fireworks that I already told you. Some of them are animated and fully, and that's dance patty. Another is, so that's might be currently unavailable, but then when I choose, so you can see like party, and so this is. And if you wanted to remove this, what you do, just click and then delete this. So after deleting this, when you again open the same, you can find the difference. Like I open the same one, so I found my old keyboard. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this, please subscribe my channel to get new videos from me. Thanks friends, have a good day.